Did you know 80% of seniors lose 30% of their muscle by age 70, leading to falls, weakness, and losing independence fast? But this secret strength training routine for seniors and beginners reverses it in just weeks. Stick around, your stronger body starts now. I'm your name channel, fitness coach for 50+ warriors. If you're a senior or total beginner scared of getting hurt, this is your game changer. These 5 simple moves build muscle, burn fat, and skyrocket energy. No gym, no weights needed at first. Start today or risk falling behind forever. Let's crush weakness. Move 1. Wall push-ups. Burns chest fat, builds pushing strength. Stand arms length from wall, hands shoulder width, lower chest to wall, push back explosively. 3 sets of 10. Move 2. Chair squats. Hidden secret to strong legs and balance. Sit on chair edge. Stand up without hands. Sit back, slow. 3x12. Prevents falls 70%. Move 3. Seated rows with water bottles. Pulls back fat. Fixes posture. Fast. Hold bottles. Pull elbows back like rowing. 3x15. Move 4. Heel raises. Calf burner for walking longer without pain. Stand. Rise on toes. Hold 2 sec. 3 climb 20. Move 5, plank on knees, core destroyer for flat belly and spine protection. Hold 20-30 sec, build to 1 minute shocking abs in weeks. Real viewers, Joan, 72, lost 15 lbs fat, gained muscle. I feel 50 again. Mike, beginner, no more back pain. Science says strength training cuts senior fall risk 50% and adds years to life. Don't wait. Weakness creeps up fast. Start this routine today or regret it tomorrow. Drop A if you're committing, smash like if you're over 50 and crushing it. Subscribe plus bell for weekly senior strength hacks. Next, burn belly fat while sitting. Comment your age and biggest struggle. I'll reply. Share with a parent who needs this.